Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Tonight is going to be night 4 of my 5 nights of Batman unboxings. And tonight we are unboxing Red Wing Robin. He's a Hot Topic exclusive. He looks absolutely amazing. Guys, once again, if you guys do not have him or this Batman pin from Hot Topic, I suggest you guys get one as soon as you can if there are any more left or available. Definitely call your local Hot Topic and see if they have any left. You don't want to miss out on this pin, and you definitely don't want to miss out on this pop. Very, very cool. Yeah, he just looks absolutely amazing. I'm a huge fan of Batman, of course, as you guys already know. I love Robin. And once again, there's even the comic book illustrations on the side. Gotta love that. Not too much Robin, though. The Batgirl one had a lot of Batgirl. This one just seems to have a lot of Batman. Very, very cool. And let's take a look at the back. Very cool. I was hoping there would be like a line of different pops that were coming. But no, it's just Robin. But still looks really, really cool. That looks amazing. So yeah. Let's get into this pop, shall we? Okay, folks, here he is out of his box. This is Red Robin. He looks so cool. Yeah, I'm a huge Robin fan. I love Robin. I love all the different Robins. There's so many of them. You know, you have Tim Drake, Jason Todd, Damian Wayne, and then, of course, Dick Grayson. So I love that, you know, there's so many different incarnations of Robin. He looks incredible. He looks really cool. Very cool. I like the way his hair looks. It looks really cool. Turn to the side. And now to the back. Starting to see a lot more definition, I think, in a lot of the pops. Particularly the Batman pops. I remember, you know, back in the day, the first couple of Robin pops that I got, there really was no, I guess, definition. No, you know, there was no, like, real detail in, like, for example, the hair or even really the costume. I like how now there's so much detail. I mean, just look at the cape. Just like, there's like all these like little like ridges in the cape and stuff like that. Very cool. Feels different too than most of the capes. Most of the capes just kind of felt smooth. This one does not feel smooth. Which I think is kind of cool. Like I said, I love that, you know, Funko's really becoming, that they're really, you know, making an effort to make the pops look different and just even feel different from before. Yeah, he looks really, really cool. Because I'm a huge fan of Batman, I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of the Batman pops do make it on my end of the year list for the top 50. Just because I'm, like I said, I'm a huge, huge fan. And this pop definitely is one of the cooler ones. I really like this pop a lot. When I saw that Hot Topic was getting him, I was like, I have to make sure I get this pop because he just looks amazing. Very, very cool. I did see a few of him left in my Hot Topic a few days ago when I went, so there's a chance that you could still get him if you have not gotten him already. What I would do is I would call my local Hot Topic and just see, hey, do you guys have any more from in stock? And then obviously if they do, run down there as quick as you can because of course Hot Topic cannot hold pops. If you didn't know that before, some knowledge to drop on you now. If you're looking to collect some certain Funkos that you want, and you want to get them from Hot Topic, Hot Topic will not hold the pop for you. I don't even think Box Lunch does that either. So make sure that when you call about a pop, make sure to get down there as fast as you can, get the pop before it's gone. Pops like this, even, you know, the DC pops, Marvel pops, a lot of those kind of Game of Thrones, Disney even, a lot of pops tend to go out very quickly, especially when they come from houses like DC, Marvel, Star Wars, Disney. They don't last very long on the shelves. So if you call up your local Hot Topic and they say they have it there, rush down as quickly as you can, pick it up. Anime pops too. Sword Art Online, Dragon Ball Z, of course, that's probably the biggest one. Naruto, One Piece. A lot of those pops don't last long on the shelves either. So make sure that when you call, make sure to get down there as fast as you can. Seriously, because you will definitely lose out on those pops. They don't last very long on the shelves. Pops like these. Thank you guys so much for all of your likes, your follows, subscribes. Thank you for sharing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Batman Night 5 is coming up tomorrow, and I just really appreciate all the love that you guys show to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.